Hello everyone, and welcome to the project Boston Housing Data Analysis and Visualization Dashboard using Power BI. In this project, we are going to explore one of the most famous datasets used in data analytics and machine learning, known as the Boston Housing Dataset. The main objective of this project is to understand the important factors that influence housing prices and real estate decisions. Instead of analyzing yearly business sales or company performance, this dashboard focuses on how environmental conditions, accessibility, social factors, and financial details affect the value of houses in different areas. We begin the project by importing the Boston Housing CSV dataset into Power BI using the Get Data option. After selecting the dataset, we choose the Transform Data option, which takes us to the Power Query Editor. The Power Query Editor is one of the most powerful tools in Power BI because it helps us clean, organize, and transform raw data before creating visualizations. Inside the editor, we work on improving the dataset by renaming columns with meaningful names so that the data becomes easier to understand and analyze. Next, we fix the data types of different columns by converting text values into decimal numbers, whole numbers, and proper numeric formats. During this process, we also encounter invalid and error values, so we remove those errors to improve the overall quality of the dataset. We then analyze several important housing-related factors such as crime rate, proximity to the Charles River, nitric oxide concentration, average number of rooms, age of properties, distance to employment centers, accessibility to highways, property tax rates, pupil-teacher ratio, and the median value of owner-occupied homes. These factors help us understand what people usually consider before purchasing a house or selecting a residential area. The project also demonstrates how to use the column quality feature in Power Query Editor to quickly identify valid values, missing data, and errors without checking every column manually. After cleaning and transforming the dataset, we apply all the changes using the Close and Apply option, which prepares the data for visualization and dashboard development. Finally, with the cleaned dataset ready, we can move forward to building interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards in Power BI. These visualizations help us discover insights about housing prices, real estate conditions, and the relationship between different factors affecting property values. This project is a great practical example of data cleaning, transformation, and visualization using Power BI, while also improving our understanding of real estate analytics. Thank you.